So I talk a lot about how the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is one of the most versatile cameras you can buy for under the price of $1,000. We all know it can vlog. We all know it can be a webcam. We all know it can shoot vertical and horizontal video. But what we don't talk a lot about is using the Osmo Pocket 3 as a studio cam. So right now I have this set up in my home studio to give you an idea of what this camera can do in a studio-like setting. So like I said, this is not going to be a long video, but I just wanted to give you a visual representation of what this camera can do in a controlled lighting environment. Now right now I have this USB DJI mic hooked up through a USB Type-C cable directly into the camera. So like I was saying before, you can use a variety of different microphones. Any microphone that's powered through USB Type-C you can use. Of course, you can use the DJI wireless mics and any other wireless mic system that's connected through USB Type-C, like the Rode wireless mics, the other DJI wireless mics. I have a deity wireless mic, so a lot of flexibility with this system. Now right now I'm shooting in the basic standard color profile. Again, normally when you're shooting in a studio setting, you want to shoot in one of the log profiles so you can adjust your colors a little bit. So just to let you know, that is an option, but right now I wanted to give you an example of what it looks like fresh out the camera, no color grading, with the standard color profile. Now right now I'm using these. I have two lights. I have a little LED panel light here, and I have my GVM key light here. So this is like a two light setup with my LEDs in the back for a little bit of accent lighting. But overall, this is the image quality that you can get just from the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I want to know in the comment section, has anybody used this as a studio cam? I know a lot of people will recommend this if you're a vlogger or if you're doing any of that type of outdoor content creation, but I think it holds up pretty well as a studio cam. So I'll be curious to see what y'all got to say in the comment section.